Good morning, you guys. Today is our last day at Redwood. The plan for today is to only do 2 hikes. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready because everyone's already out in the living room and it just makes me feel like I'm behind. But in reality, they just woke up. Okay. Breakfast for today, chorizo con huevo, queso fresco, and a bowl. Alright, you guys, we're currently hiking in Fern Canyon. Now this is the Jurassic Park scene. No, this is so beautiful. I know.
Wait, should I go my sweater now?
Yeah. It's way better in person. So beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, can you hold it, bro? Oh. ¿Por acá? Oh, over here? Way too. Yeah? Oh. Rocky! Where's Rocky? Status report. Beta, Charlie, status report. I repeat, status report. Oh.
I think we're almost done, you guys. We're done with the river section. And now we're gonna go hiking up the mountain to go back to where we started. Oh my goodness. I think this is a part where I'm gonna be struggling.
No.
I repeat, we have the package with us.
Mommy, I thought we would have to cross
made it. Oh shit, we got a runner.
Right.
It's mine. Mine. Oh shit, don't scare me. We're done with the hike, guys. We call it the Jurassic hike. We're gonna go to one more before we call it a day, but right now we're at the beach. Lady Bird Johnson Road. Oh! That was not Rocky.
That was louder than expected. You scared yourself. You scared yourself. Run? Jeez, that was embarrassing.
That was good. We're on our last hike of the day, and Rocky Man has to be in the backpack because no dogs allowed. Hey Rockito, how you doing, Papash? You good? What was that? Alrighty you guys, this concludes my vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!